Mommy, hi to my vlog, mommy. Hi. Hi, father. Hi, daddy. Hi, Nang, say hi to my vlog. Me too, Wiwit. Can I have some, please? Oh, what about me? What about Nang? Me too. Wow. Hi. What's that?
Candy.
Can you show me? What's that? What candy is that? Wow, so nice. Is that a pig? Yeah, you're so pretty.
Yeah, it's so big.
You look like Nang.
Yeah.
You look like me. Do you agree? Yeah. Wow, thank you, Wiwit. Wow, thank you, Wiwit. Wow, that's nice. It's like a Tina's. You put more, please. No, not on top of that. On the other part. Yes. Oh my god. But it's... What happened? You put it, What about you, Dylan? What are you doing, Dylan? What's on your face, Dylan? Daddy. And Wiwit.
Arawan yun. Hindi, Jay ko na yun with eh. Dapat nga kasama ko ngayon yun. Kasama ko kanina yun. Kumain kami ng tanghalian sa Taytay.
Smell
Kasama
na.
ko.
Wait.
Hindi siya maaano eh. Oo. Huwag lalampas sa guhit. Naku, dahan-dahan. Huwag mo nang tingnan. Talagang maaano yan.
What about you, Tina? What color is that?
Green.
Green. Hi, Daddy. Ikaw tayo. Video tayo. Smell ka lang. 0.5 yun. Yan. Hi, love. What? Thank you, Daddy. Pati ng palad ko parang magkakapera.
Oops!
Sounds tayo. Saan na ba yung TV natin?
Oops, say hi. Say hi. Oh, say hi, Dylan. Dylan, baby. Hi. Oh, you Barbie. Hi. Your face looks so dirty, oh. What happened to your face? That's not spaghetti. That's pancit palabok.
Ay! Wala na tulo.
Okay, konti muna.
Thank you.
You want to put ice there?
Okay,
Ay! Wala akong atraso sa'yo. Thank you. Parang pinag-share mo nagtago. Asan yun?
That's why they don't want to deliver it. This is a new.
Kamay yung ibig yung ay, sorry.
Thank you.
Nasira yun. Naman ang pinag sa'yo.
Hindi, mamaya na yung flowers. Hindi, pag kumapaw na siya, cut na talaga to. So, paano yan?
Hindi ganun talaga yun.
Okay, go. Lagay mo na. Lagay mo na tapol.
At itatas mo lang yan.
Hindi, huwag kang bida-bida.
Don't dump it, huh? You're gonna bump your head
Sige,
again.
paano tayo?
Alright, how's your head?
Basta.
Let me see your head.
Alam mo, no. I-upload ko to ng raw. I-upload ko to ng raw.
Tama na, pero masarap yung rose.
Okay, let's
May
go.
garlic din yan eh.
Ito?
Ano lang yan? Yung bulaklak sa tabi.
Bugang bilya.
Okay, let's go na. Wow!
Nag-trip ba?
Ayan, ayan, ayan.
Wow! Wait lang.
Okay na to?
Ipakita ko din nila ano.
Sisipin ko yun mamaya. Okay na yan. Okay na to. Okay na to. Okay. Thanks, guys.
Balik na sa rep. Wait na.
Hindi yung labas siguro yung 1-3 ganyan.
At least nakatikim naman.
Tignan natin.
It's green, are you sure? I thought you don't like green stuff. Oh, cook something, okay? Cook something for me. Oh, it's okay. Barbie.
Shot
Okay, you guys
Cheers.
go, go,
Cheers mo
go.
sa akin yan.
Cook us something, okay? Good job, hey. Your brother was on. See you like that. You're nice to Barbie.
Please test, guys. Tignan natin ang kaliti. Ano yung kapepe? Ano man tawag yun? One more.
O, tingnan tayo natin yung 20 ngayon. Okay naman siya. Kanya-kanyang kahit din. May lasa? May lasa ka pa sa tower. Okay naman. Sabi niyo na sobrang tamis. Okay lang. Okay na to.